In other updates today, they fought for our nation, but now these ex-servicemen forced to fight against the Indian government, demanding the implementation of the One Rank One Pension scheme. They have launched a hunger strike across the country and even threatened to boycott public functions. But the government, which promised to implement OROP, yet to make any concrete commitments on the implementation of the scheme.
Armed with banners and black bands, these men who once fought to protect us from the enemy have now been forced to agitate on the streets.
Ex-servicemen from across the country are sitting on an indefinite relay hunger strike from today, a day after they organized massive Sangram rallies across the country. Remember, this comes after talks with the government failed, wherein the government failed to deliver a timeline by when the government plans to implement the scheme.
They have launched a relay hunger strike across the nation to force the government to live up to its One Rank One Pension promise.
हमारे हुक्म के ऊपर सरकार की तरफ से मेरे नीचे कई जवान तीनों लड़ाइयों में कहां शहीद हुए मैं कह नहीं सकता हूं, लेकिन अगर सरकार हमें झूठ बोले और वचनबद्ध ना हो तो हम क्या करें।
जवान अपना 48 से पहले घर में आ जाता है, उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसमें बच्चे पालने हैं, सब कुछ देखना है, कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, सिंपल बात है।
From Delhi to Thiruvananthapuram, it's the delay in the implementation of the scheme that has forced this protest.
It's not our demand, it's our right. You see, the men and the widows are the worst sufferers. I as the officer probably can bear the burden, but look at them in the villages, in the countryside, nobody there to help them. Very small amount of pension they get.
No stipulated time frame, no concrete commitment on part of the government has only left them dejected.
कि ये सरकार जो है इतनी सीरियस नहीं है कि वो वन रैंक वन पेंशन को एकदम लागू करने के लिए। क्योंकि मैं समझता हूं कि ये सरकार यू टर्न की सरकार है।
And now they've also threatened to boycott all government functions, including Independence Day and Republic Day celebration.
Remember, the ex-service community has a lot of expectations from the Modi government, who they say they voted for enthusiastically and who had also made implementation of OROP one of its election promises. Yesterday, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, requested all the ex-servicemen to be patient and said that it will deliver on its promises. But clearly, with their patience running thin, it remains to be seen if the government will expedite this process and bring some good news for these ex-servicemen. Trupti Rani Mehta, Times Now.